Eastern gray squirrel. The eastern gray squirrel is a species of tree squirrel native to the eastern and central regions of North America. It is one of the most common and well-known squirrel species in the United States and Canada. Here are some key characteristics and information about the eastern gray squirrel. Number 1. Physical appearance. Eastern gray squirrels typically have a grayish coat, which can vary from light gray to almost black. Their bellies are usually white or off-white. They have a bushy tail that helps them maintain balance while moving through trees and serves as a form of communication and defense. Number 2. Habitat. These squirrels are highly adaptable and can be found in a variety of habitats, including forests, urban areas, suburban neighborhoods, and city parks. They are known for their ability to thrive in human-altered environments. Number 3. Behavior. Eastern gray squirrels are diurnal, active during the day, and are known for their energetic and acrobatic behavior. They are skilled climbers and jumpers, and they can easily move through trees and across utility wires. They build nests, called trays, in the forks of trees using leaves, twigs, and other materials. Number 4. Diet. Their diet is omnivorous, consisting of a wide range of foods, including nuts, seeds, fruits, insects, and bird eggs. They are known to bury nuts and seeds in the ground as a form of food storage, and these buried items sometimes grow into new plants, contributing to forest regeneration. Number 5. Reproduction. Eastern gray squirrels typically have 2 breeding seasons each year, one in late winter and another in the summer. Females give birth to litters of 2 to 4, sometimes up to 6, young, which are born blind and hairless. The babies are raised in the nest for several months before becoming independent. Number 6. Interaction with humans. Eastern gray squirrels are often found in urban and suburban areas, where they can sometimes be considered pests due to their tendency to raid bird feeders or damage property. However, they are also popular wildlife to observe, and many people enjoy watching their playful behavior. Number 7. Color variations. While the typical gray color is most common, some eastern gray squirrels can exhibit other color variations, including black, melanistic, and even white, albino or leucistic, individuals. Number 8. Conservation status. Eastern gray squirrels are not currently considered threatened or endangered. Their adaptable nature and ability to live in a variety of environments have contributed to their overall population stability. Like all species, eastern gray squirrels, Squirrus carolinensis, face various biological challenges in their natural environment. Here are some of the challenges they encounter. Number 1. Predation. Eastern gray squirrels are preyed upon by a variety of predators, including birds of prey, such as hawks and owls, mammals, like foxes, raccoons, and domestic cats, and even snakes. Their survival is influenced by their ability to detect and escape from these predators. Number 2. Resource competition. These squirrels often have to compete with other animals for resources such as food and shelter. In urban environments, they might compete with other species of squirrels, birds, and even non-native species. Number 3. Food availability and storage. Eastern gray squirrels rely on a diverse diet that includes nuts, seeds, fruits, and insects. Fluctuations in the availability of these food sources can impact their nutritional intake. Additionally, squirrels store food for times when resources are scarce, but they sometimes fail to retrieve these hidden caches, which can lead to food wastage. Number 4. Reproduction and survival rates. Eastern gray squirrels reproduce relatively quickly, but the survival rate of their young can be quite low due to predation, disease, and other factors. High mortality rates among juveniles mean that individuals must produce multiple litters to ensure the survival of the species. Number 5. Habitat loss and fragmentation. Urbanization and deforestation can lead to the loss and fragmentation of suitable habitats for eastern grey squirrels. This can result in reduced access to food, nesting sites, and safe corridors for movement. Fragmented habitats can also increase the risk of inbreeding and limit gene flow between populations. Number 6. Disease. Like many wildlife species, eastern grey squirrels can be susceptible to various diseases, some of which can be transmitted by other animals or even humans. Disease outbreaks can significantly impact local squirrel populations. Number 7. Climate change. Changes in climate patterns can influence the availability of food resources, alter the timing of reproductive cycles, and affect the overall health and behavior of eastern grey squirrels. Shifts in climate can also affect the prevalence and distribution of parasites and diseases. Number 8. Human interactions. While eastern grey squirrels are highly adaptable to urban environments, they can also face challenges from human activities. These include accidental or intentional feeding by humans, which can disrupt natural behaviors and promote overpopulation, vehicle collisions, and exposure to pollutants. Number 9. Invasive species. The introduction of non-native species can impact eastern grey squirrels both directly and indirectly. Invasive species can compete for resources or introduce new diseases that native squirrels may not have defenses against.